See inside Marine One, the soundproof presidential helicopter that can seat 14 people and deploy anti missile defenses. Business Insider. With a landing zone on the White House lawn, Marine One is often the most convenient way for President NTS to get from place to place. Below are your comments. Looks like Marine One has had lots of upgrades from the ones that I worked on during Nixon's days. Then it was just a typical military unit with upgraded seats and padded interior. That's right, the new Sikorsky helicopters, which we spent $5 billion on according to Bloomberg, are not being used to fly the president because they burn the grass at the White House. Don't we have our priorities in the right place? Does it have diaper changing stations? I've got to get me one of these. Trump is such an offensive individual. It makes my stomach turn knowing he was president, and even worse if he wins again. He is so disrespectful to the office and to Americans and vets. Please subscribe to my channel. And if you like it, please thumbs up.